Welcome to Code Pass. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you smash the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you get updated of latest tutorial on how to do certain things. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Python 3 as your default Python in your terminal. And by default, when you type in Python version, is 2.7.16, which is depreciated, and you don't want to be typing Python 3 whenever you want to do something. It's quite boring. You want to just go with Python. All right, so let's get started. All right, first you copy this particular path over here, copy that, and then type in open. Let me see if I can zoom this. Yep. All right, so type in open and then paste this and then hit enter. It automatically launch this editor for you. The next thing you have to do over here to use an alias. So you type alias and then Python equal to Python 3. I don't know if the spacing will have any effect. However, you may want to use this to be small latest, then save that. Close this, close the terminal and relaunch the terminal. And now if we are to so now if I type Python dash version, it's not Python 3.9.1, and we can just use it that way, Python. And you can see that over here, Python 3.9.1. That's all for this tutorial, and see you another time. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.